Quick message, I have a new Instagram account. Go find me on Instagram underneath Wiggin with Christi _2.0. My original one was removed. Please follow me at my new one. Hey everyone, welcome to Wiggin with Christi. I'm Christi. Today I'm bringing you a review of the new Aria wig by Ellen Wille in the color Nut Multi-Shaded. This is a part of the new Fall 2022 Act 1 collection, a part of 5 new pieces for Ellen Wille. Wig Studio 1 sent me this wig to review for you, and I just want to thank them. Down below is links of how you can get this piece with Wig Studio 1, but this is my own thoughts and opinions. So let's dive into my unboxing review. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a just released on September 1st, Style by Ellen Wille. Ellen Wille has 5 new styles, a part of this Act 1 collection. This is the wig Aria. This is in color Nut Multi-Shaded, which is an 830, 26, and 27. This is from the Modix collection by Ellen Wille. Look at this packaging. Oh my goodness. My husband was even made a comment saying, whoa, never seen a wig box look like this before. It's a really pretty box. So I always love packaging. I always love seeing the boxes, even the tags, that same Modix collection design. The tissue, Ellen Wille design. I think this is different tissue than what I've gotten in my other Ellen Wille's. Also just new packaging. I don't recall this looking it looks very modern. It's English on one side and I believe this is German on the other side. So it just gives some instructions. Dear customer, to reassure that your wig or hairpiece stays in a perfect stylish condition, never comb or brush it, either in wet or damp condition. To loosen or style, please use a forked comb, wide tooth comb, or your fingers. Please avoid friction, brushing, and hot waters, blow dryer, or curling irons, okay? This is a regular synthetic fiber, I will say that. Some of the other pieces in this new release, some are heat friendly, but this is not. It is hooked onto these bobby pins in here. There is a care book also in here. Nice care book. I'm not going to open that. And also another thing by Ellen Wille. Really great packaging, really great info. So for this piece, it has a lace front, temple to temple lace front, and a left model part, velvet felt ear tabs with those wefts going into the ear tabs. We have a velvet felt extended nape with also wefts into that nape section, so all the way down. Velcro adjusters. This is just like the lot number tag. All right. Feels like it has some really great stretch in here. So let's go ahead and put it on. We have a wefted open cap. I don't feel any permatease in this style just by touching it in the cap here, or even in here, okay? But let's go ahead and put it on and see if we can feel any. I didn't take out the adjusters. I just wanted to put it on to see how it felt without making any adjustments to it. I wasn't sure what I was gonna think about this color, but I really like it. Yeah, no permatease in this wig at all. At all. I'm feeling for you guys. None, no permatease anywhere that I can feel, at least on mine. This is really done really nicely, lightweight, light density. Okay, here she is. I just unparted her literally with my finger. Look at that part. Lightweight, light density, has some beautiful layers. I don't have a lot of curls in mine that I had seen in some of the photos. There's just a tussle of a wave, but nothing like I was expecting with that. I thought I was expecting a little bit more wave to it, I think. But I love, love, love this. Okay, enough about me. This is about you. So we're gonna talk about this wig. The lace front is incredible. The left mono part is incredible. It has some great layers in here. Like I said, no permatease, none whatsoever. Let's go ahead and do a spin. I'll do a voiceover with the color, but I will say this. It does have an 8, a 30, a 26, and a 27. So I know that that 26 is gonna be a blonde highlight. The 27 is gonna be a little bit of blonde, but also with some strawberry in there. That there's gonna be hints of a 30 in there, I'm thinking, and an 8 with a dark brown. But let's pull out the info and we'll do a voiceover for this piece as we look at this color a little bit better. I will say this, I feel like it's, I love the dynamic of the highlights. It is a shaded color, but like, look at this. Oh, I like it. All right, I'm kind of being ridiculous, but I really am excited about the color. It feels more vibrant on this side. Just looking in at those layers, the color and the dimension really goes deep into those layers. So I like that. And I think that will be nice when we're styling. All right, let's go ahead and do a spin. We'll take a look outside and then we'll do some styling and some final thoughts on this. Nut Multi-Shaded is an 830-26-27, which is a medium brown blended with light auburn, light golden blonde, and dark strawberry blonde blended with dark shaded roots. These fit really well over because there's no permatease, lightweight, close to the head. Sunglasses go over great over those ear tabs. Okay guys, what do you guys think of this Aria wig? I think this style is going to be a fast selling piece. Some sister styles within ELLEN WILLE to this would be Arrow and Taboo. Those would be some sister styles to this. I have not had Arrow. I have had Taboo. This definitely is a nicer version than Taboo. Taboo is also, I believe, heat friendly. This is not. This is regular synthetic. But as far as the look goes, they give that as a sister style within the ELLEN WILLE line. This is a regular synthetic. Like I said, the overall length to this is 16.5 inches. I know when I did the spin, I listed the other specs for you. ELLEN WILLE did say that this had a minimal amount of crimped permatease, very, very minimal. I can't find it. If there is, maybe way down by those wefts is a crimping, but not little hairs. Honestly, I can't find permatease in this piece. If there is, maybe way back here a little crimped version, but honestly, I can't find any in it compared to wigs I wear all the time, okay? Lots of stretch in this piece. I don't have these adjusted at all, so I think this could definitely go to a 22.5-inch head. For those of you that are around the 22.5-inch mark, I think you could definitely wear this wig with extending out those adjusters. All right, so what do you guys think of Aria? She's beautiful, beautiful color. This style is gonna come in a lot of different colors. You might wanna make sure to check out the link below to Wig Studio 1, where you can see all the colors available for this style. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support. Don't forget to check out Wig Studio 1 again down below in the description of this video. Let me know what you guys thought. Leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.